I'm injured. Don't hit me too badly.
Well, we are back for challenge night. This is going to be a ludicrous course. I also haven't been here in a month. This might be a complete disaster. I'm also partially injured. I don't know how this is going to go, but at the very least, I have a really funny story to tell you if I do get the breathing room to be able to do it. Oh my god, dude. I don't think so, bud. Oh my god, dude. Okay, that is a disaster of a start. Oh my god, dude. Holy moly. Oh boy, what a start, huh? Oh boy. Oh boy, this is not good. Oh boy, how do we do this course? I do not know. This is really interesting. Oh my goodness. Gotta protect that inside. Gotta protect that inside, huh? Wow! Son of a beasting. We're defending. We're defending. We are defending. We gotta defend. I don't have anything else. I got nothing else. Maybe we don't break there. Oh. Clay! Clay! We have someone who is backwards. Bro! Bro! Oh my God, bless America! Okay, this course is a little aggressive. I feel like I may have hurt my arm already. I'm just kidding. Oh, I definitely feel like I strained something though. That's not good. That is not good. Oh boy, that hurts. It's part of the... That's what happens from racing. Sometimes it happens. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Okay. No! Son of a bitch! I was trying to... damn lap traffic. Oh. Oh. Everyone's having issues. Ow. Oh. Oh my God, it hurts. This is good. This is good. Ow. Oh. Well, that was a great race. That was good. That was good. Ow. Oh my God. Well, we're back for race 2. I'm not even sure I should be here because, honestly, I feel like I pulled something real bad in that first one. I must have got hit, like, while I was turning in a weird way, and, I don't know. So, this may not be smart. We'll see. Hopefully we don't have any more incidents this time, and hopefully, oh my gosh, this is a nightmare. Okay, and hopefully we make it through without problem. And here we go. Okay. Holy moly! Holy moly! Ah! Okay. Last to third. We take those. Ah, bro! Can we make turns? Can we make turns? That'd be great if we could just try to make turns. That would be fantastic. Oh boy, these tires are a little slippery. Oh boy, I'm so wide. Oh my gosh. I wish we had a chance to time trial this beforehand. We kind of just jumped into this one, yeah, just told us to start racing it. But it looks like a really fun course to do time trial with. All right. Maybe we can catch these guys. Can we catch them? I don't know. The good news is, the thing I was saying was an issue last race is not happening yet, as I totally biffed that turn, and totally biffed that turn. That turn was okay. But at least I am not feeling pain every time that I turn the cart. So that is fantastic. I'm very happy about that. Oh yeah, I think we might, maybe we can catch them, I don't know. Maybe, or we might be catching them ever so slightly. They might have a little more top speed than me. But I think I'm doing that part better than them. Oh, we're losing traction there. Okay, so, funny story that happened the other day. I got an email from my wife that said, hey, I don't have my cell phone. It is stuck on the river leading to Lake Erie. And I'm just like, what in the world are you talking about? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, okay. Yeah, so while she was walking at work, she was walking over this bridge, and she took out her scarf, and her phone fell out of her pocket and onto the frozen river below. So, after work, I had to cobble together all of the tools that we have. I cobbled together a few brooms, a paint stick, and a rake, and we went down there, and we had to fish, essentially, her cell phone off of the ice. Now, this was like, the phone was like 20 feet from the shore, like the closest, probably even longer, probably like 20 feet straight down from the bridge. I used all of the duct tape that we had, and all of the tools, duct taped them together, and we miraculously scraped that dang thing off of the river. Oh boy, I gotta pay attention, hold on. Oh man. Good race. Alright, story continues next race. Where are you going, Clay? I'm going wherever you're not going, Clay, because I gotta take your spot. Okay, let's go! Wow! Someone hit me immediately. Let's go, Clay. Come on, bud. Come on. All right. Someone is just pushing me right through this turn. Who is that? Wow, jeez, oh man, bro. Can we make turns back there? What the heck? Oh my goodness. That was crazy. So anyways, part 2 of that story. So, I can't remember where I left off, but we used that tool of duct-taped brooms and paint rollers and rakes, and we scraped it all the way to the edge of the river, where my wife then had to hop 2 security fences and laid down on this like wall that was next to the river. We cut the tool into half so it was separated into like 2 brooms and then the paint sticks and rake. And she kind of used it like chopsticks to try to get the cell phone onto the rake. She miraculously did that. And then after she did that, oh, good move, let's go. After she did that, I was like real cynical at this point because this phone had been on the ice for about 7 hours, covered in snow. So in my mind, I'm like, this thing has no chance that it still works. I'll tell you what, she pulled that thing up. She was texting and using it immediately. I cannot believe it. So if you happen to need a phone, highly recommend Samsung. Oh boy, okay, we should probably concentrate on racing, huh, instead of telling stories. Alright, Brian. Alright, Brian. Oh boy, come on, bud, let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh boy. Oh no, oh no, oh son of a bitch. Oh no. Oh no. I had to brake too hard to say Brian. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Well, that's fun. That's fun. Well, I'll have to watch the tape on that one. Maybe I f***ed up. I don't know. I don't know if he stopped too hard and I had to brake too hard to not destroy him or what. But definitely a racing incident of some kind. Oh boy! All right, well we're definitely not doing good on this one. This is gonna be a bad finish. Oh boy! Even though I feel like I was probably the fastest one on the course right now, I was moving at a pretty good rate. We're not gonna deal with what ifs. I'm pretty sure I would have run this race regardless, but that's okay. I f***ed up somewhere, obviously. Come on, JJ, let's go. Well, that was a fun night. Honestly, good course. It's a great course. Great course. Good race, good race.